So welcome to the channel. This is a reading for the sign of Pisces. So yeah, let's start. So what you guys can possibly expect for the next 10 days? What's coming towards you? What's happening in your life? What's your person up to? Let's see. Okay, we have a card already. In Six of Cups at the bottom, and top card we have Two of Swords. So if at all there is a past person you're dealing with, you're very unsure where that is going. Okay, in the past you guys could have had the idea of wanting to move things forward with them, but things however got toxic. Okay, with Seven of Wands, you guys could have given up. If you did not give up, they gave up, and things kind of moved on. Okay, right now with Empress card, you're very focused on yourself, and I see you even being open to new love if something comes your way that is worth your time and effort. You're looking forward for something real, something stable, something long term. Okay, with Seven of Wands and Five of Pentacles, some of you could have felt left out in the cold, and that's the reason why you're majorly giving up on the past person. Okay, but yes, you are very unsure, but majorly I say you giving up. Okay, so yes. So one card for what's coming up for you guys. What's really coming up for Pisces for the month of November? Let's see. Okay, so right now with the Tower card, a lot of things will change in your life. Okay, I see a lot of endings and a lot of new beginnings. Endings always mean new beginnings. Endings should not always be looked at as something negative. Whatever ends is always like something that is going to let you move forward in a new direction. So let's say a cycle ends in your life, for a new cycle to begin in your life. So always take it positively. There's nothing to fear. Okay, right now with Eight of Swords, you guys could be feeling stuck. Okay, I see you overthinking. I see you unable to move to a particular person, place, or possibly from your own thoughts. Eight of Swords is not a practical card. It's all in the mind. So once you clear that mind and clear your fears and doubts, you're going to be able to move on easily. Okay, so I see some ups and downs coming in your life for the next few days. Okay, next we have is the Knight of Cups. So I do see a possible water sign coming your way. This could be Scorpio, or it could be also a Leo. Okay, a Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, Leo. I see this person trying to come your way. Okay, this could be someone new or old. Doesn't have to be old, but this could be someone new for many of you. Okay, but I do feel that this person is wanting to come forward with a love offer, like something romantic, not for like a physical connection or friends with benefits. I see it being more genuine. Okay, so yes, you give me one more card as to what are they up to. So what's this person up to, whoever is coming your way? With King of Pentacles, this person could be a businessman or a businesswoman, but whoever is coming your way is your types. Someone who's stable, someone who's grounded, someone who knows what he or she wants, and someone who is very respectful in their field and overall. Okay, this person could be someone from long distance. Okay, because we have the world in the reverse, but this person is a very hard working person. Okay, this person won't want to be a part of a connection that won't get anywhere. So totally someone who kind of thinks like you. Even you are not someone who's going to want something time being, okay, for the sake of it. Okay, but with Eight of Pentacles and the Queen of Swords, this person is very direct in their approach. So they might not be very sugarcoating about how they say things. They might be very direct about it. Okay, so one card for what's their energy towards you, your soulmate's energy towards you. Pisces soulmate's energy towards Pisces, please. Okay. So with Queen of Wands, this person is definitely interested in you. They find you physically attractive. They love you. They love your energy. They love your vibe. So I see them majorly taking action towards you, willingly taking action towards you. Not because you're forcing them or you're seducing them. No, they want to take action towards you. Okay. Top card we have is a Chariot card. So yes, I see some movement forward. There are new things coming in your life. So be open to it. Okay. So yes. So give me one more card as to how are they thinking about you now. how they're thinking about you now. Okay, we have a card already. With Knight of Pentacles, they want to invest. They are looking at it in a long term way. Like they are not really looking at it as something that they are wanting to do fast. Okay, they're going to take their own sweet time, but they're going to see to it that they invest wisely and something long term. So they, if they are like wanting to put an effort and time into this, they're wanting to build with you, not just for the sake of it. Okay, so with Ace of Wands, I definitely see new beginnings in your life. Okay, so one card for how do they view you as a person, as a soulmate, Pisces. With King of Wands, Queen and the King, they look at you as someone who fits them perfectly. Okay, like someone who's just made for them, someone who's just their type, someone who's energetically, at their level. Okay, so I do feel like they know that you might have gone through a lot in the past, and right now you're majorly focused more on peace and balance and healing, but they are definitely open to you, and they're definitely looking forward to you. They look at you as someone who is definitely going to work for them in every which way. Okay, sexually, physically, intellectually, okay, emotionally. Okay, so one card for what are they wanting to have with you now for the next 10 days. What are they wanting to have with you? With the Fool card, they want to take a leap of faith forward. So they're definitely looking forward for this connection to move forward. Okay, like a Ace of Pentacles, Knight of Swords. So they are very much focused on moving things forward with you. They're not going to sabotage things in any which way. Neither are they going to confuse you. They are going to be very direct about it, and they are wanting to see that things move forward in a positive direction. Okay, so yes. So one card for their current feelings towards you. If this is a new person, what feelings would they have for you? Okay, so take what resonates and try to relate it in your way possible. Okay, one card for their feelings towards you, your Pisces soulmate. King of Cups. So this will definitely start romantic. Okay, even if they had that King of Pentacles energy, a very practical of a very stable energy, I see them being more romantic towards you. Might not say the words, but might the actions will speak. Okay, the way they behave with you, the way they the way they are gentle with you, warm, kind, okay, very sweet energy around you. With Chariot card, they want to move things forward. They want to explore this connection. Okay, very, very positive reading. So far, so good. Okay, so one card for what are they wanting to offer you now? So what are they wanting to offer you? Pisces soulmate, what are they wanting to offer you? I believe many of you guys are dealing with someone new. Okay, this can't be a past old shit. Sorry. But yeah. With Two of Cups, they want a soulmate relationship. They are offering you a fucking relationship. Okay, something real, dude. Something so good. They want to hold on to you. If you have difficulties in your life, if you have responsibilities that you need to look after or work towards, they're definitely going to help you. They're definitely going to be that helpful person in your life. Okay, this might start on a very friendship level, but it's going to grow quick. Okay, so yes. So one card for their intentions towards you. One card for their intentions towards you. Pisces. they want transformation. Okay, their intention is, I see death and eight of wands, so it is transformation. Death is not always endings. Okay, so they want things to move forward on a very fast pace, like fast isn't positive. Okay, not like quick. Fast as in like in a very positive direction, moving forward in the right direction. Okay, so yes, for some of you, you could be dealing with a Virgo. Okay, so that is also a possibility. But I see strong signs in Scorpio, Leo, Virgo. Okay, I also see Libra for some of you. Okay, also a Capricorn is also present. So one card for what like you guys can expect from them for the next 10 days. What can you guys expect from them? Isis. Hierophant, this is going to move forward towards commitment. Okay, definitely something to look forward to. Very, very positive. With the star card as to where this is moving forward in the near future, Isis star. So have hope and faith. This connection will definitely move forward towards commitment. If you've always been, sad as to why your relationship like do not lead to something committed, something long term, then this is going to be the relationship for you. Okay, so Pisces, I know that 2020 has been pain in the ass in the start, and the late part of 2019 also has been pain in the ass, but I feel that the later part or the last part of 2020 is going to be good for you. At least for you, it's going good. Like, it's been the most positive reading I've given so far. I've done 6 signs by now, and this has been the most positive reading. Okay, so yeah. So one card for, if at all there are blockages, what are they? Blockages could be that for some of you, you have options. Okay, and some of you, you have responsibilities that could get in the way. Okay, it could either be options or responsibility. Okay, if it's someone from your past that you're still dealing with and that's going to get in the way, then you should know what is better for you. Okay, for some of you, I feel like for Pisces people, your past person might get in the way. Okay, if you haven't completely dropped that person, then it's time for you to drop. Okay, you have a best choice so far. Okay, so yes, so love messages from your person, if at all they are wanting to say something to you. This person is not going to be someone who you'll have to like possibly wonder if they love you or not. They're going to be very straightforward. Okay, very direct, so a blessing in disguise. Okay, you give me hope, you light that spark. So you are definitely that person who'll make them feel something different. You like that spark. This could be passionately, this could be like overall as a soul as well. You give me hope, you light that spark. Okay, you make me want to be a better person, my big influencer. So you guys could influence them in some which way. Okay, so yes, last card we have is, for some of you, I still feel like you'll have to end a relationship in your life in order to be with them. So for many of you, like 60% of you, this could be a new relationship. Okay, I never saw some past life shit. I saw new things like coming forward towards you. Okay, and I see this person getting very attached to you. Okay, so far so good, and I hope you give me a thumbs up for the video, because it has been so good, darling. Okay, so please attract the video, please see to it that you are not closed off to new people, because I see blessings coming your way. So yes, and if you want a personal reading with me, please do reach me out on my email, divinesoultarot09@gmail.com, or my WhatsApp number, it's given below, or my Instagram. Okay, so if it resonated with you in any which way, please be kind enough to consider hitting the like button, subscribe, comment, and see you soon, guys. Cheers, I love you all.